Once those screws are out, what you need to do is you need to just get a hammer or a mallet or something and tap on it from the back of the front. And it's going to come loose. Alright. You can do it all the way around, whatever. There we go. Do you mind holding this for me? Now it should just come up. There we go. Old one. Oof. Alright, now it's time for the new one. Check her out. Courtesy of eBay. I think I'm gonna try to find a link in the description and get it. All right, now what we need to do is we need to match up the what's it called, the threads right here to this right here. So you want to do it with these two. All right, that's the way it was. So we try to come in and get it to fit. Alright. See? Not the other side. I think it's backwards there. Let me see. Like this. And it's just like this. Yeah, it's like this. There we go. No. They match up. Now, Amazon provided, well, I went online and I bought these two. The set of 8 right here. They're brand new Honda brake caliper screws. So, we're going to go ahead and put these on and get back. The WD-40 or something so I can put them right here.